Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a Saturday night. It's already been a very long weekend. I took yesterday off of work to prep the cars, get them ready for IFO, which is this video. This morning I woke up at 6 and I did a group bike ride. It was like 33 miles, but I was like a Prius at Daytona because I show up in my $200 Walmart mountain bike with Amazon road tires, and everybody else is showing up with like $3,000-$4,000 aluminum carbon fibre road bikes that, 100 psi in the tires, whatever. I'm so fancy. And then I'm pulling back in from the bike ride at like 10:45. We played in a benefit softball tournament for my uncle who passed away a few years ago, and of course I'm pulling back in just dying. And we play at 11. So I had 15 minutes to basically throw my cleats and stuff on, and then we rolled right into our first game of 3, but we won it all. So now, after a shower and somewhat a glass of milk, I am going to prep the trailer, hook the truck up to the trailer, and then we're gonna load some cars, and I'm gonna probably go to bed. We are going to wake up about 5:45, 6 o'clock, and head to IFO. Oh, everything is shined up. There's the STI, the old 6-liter, and her car. Everything's shined up. I'm going to back the truck out, hook it to the trailer. And if you go back a little bit in our videos, the first IFO video, this is so nice. Because the first IFO in January, February, March, April, it was snowing. I just want to wipe my car down, but it's snowing. This is the first IFO in the snow. We are thrilled. We are having a blast. So I will take the hotness over the snowness. As much as I want to keep this thing inside over the winter, just, keep it out of the weather and, a little added protection, I don't think it's going to fit. Plus, it kind of, if I do get it in here, basically the shop is useless. So even with the 10-foot ramps, we still have to use boards, but it's not nearly as sketchy as the other trailers. Raise the rear of the truck, lowers the rear of the trailer, and then I got 4-foot 2x12s at the end of the ramps just to give us a little bit of extra clearance. We're gonna go grab the cars, load them up, strap them down, and then that's gonna be it for the night. Look at that sunset. Look at this setup. It is gorgeous. Cars are on. Strapped down. I'm gonna back the truck up there. I gotta grab the stroller and a few other small things to throw in the back of the truck. This is weird. I am done prepping for IFO. That's a type R. I am done prepping for IFO and the sun is still up. That's new. That's new for me. But I'm gonna take it because I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna relax, maybe edit some video, drink a glass of milk. I tell you what, boys, that is a good looking setup right there. So everything is on. I gotta throw the stroller in the back. I am tired. I'm going to go in the house, relax a little bit, and then we have we'll probably get out of here about 6:30 or so until tomorrow,
the next day.
Alrighty, good morning. This is so nice. This is the way IFO should be. Last IFO, it was literally 38 degrees when we left. I believe it was in the high 30s. It is 5:30 in the morning. It's freaking freezing. Both cars, well, the truck too, were covered in frost. We're getting a little bit later start because I don't like to travel at night in the darkness because the night creatures that come out that can damage vehicles. We're getting the little one around. It's about 6:30 and we are going to head south. Ew, it won't focus. Head south to import face-off.
All right, we made it. We're getting set up. I will tell you more of the story of arrival here in a second, but it was pretty cool. So we're gonna finish getting set up and I'll start wiping out the cars.
I got one friend of my family who called a man in my backyard.
Okay, we made it. They're doing the 2-step competition right now, so I apologize. So we're here, we're all set up. They actually, good thing we got here when we did because they started judging early. It was kind of cool because we pulled in, and as soon as I stepped out of my truck when we parked, one of the top IFO guys came over and said, "Hey, I got you a spot. Come on over." I'm like, "That's sweet." So we hurried up and unloaded. We got a spot right up front in the corner. So very proud of that. It's cool to see because he even asked me about my setup. So he's like, "You setting everything up?" I'm like, "Yeah." So it was cool. I mean, we got kind of a reputation now. Okay, hang on, time out, hold on a second. So up until this point in the video, IFO has been absolutely fantastic. We set up the cars, it's been like previous years, we talked to a lot of people, but as the day progressed, it started to go downhill very quickly. Uncontrolled, obnoxious two-stepping all day long, obnoxious music all day long, and idiots on pit bikes and golf carts absolutely flying through the car show area and like where there's lots of people, crowded areas. So from this point on in the video, I'm just trying to walk through the car show section, get some video, but I can't talk because obnoxious two-stepping. All right, it is hot. We're gonna do some walking around. Baby's kind of settling down, so I snuck away. I'm gonna do some walking around, look at the different cars. Just what I've walked through so far, it seems like every IFO is different, but it seems like this IFO, you either have a yeah, okay. It seems like you have a really nice car or a total shat box. There's no in-betweens. And they definitely, yeah, I may write Cliff an email about this IFO. Really? Yeah, there might be an I can't even freaking talk. This is ridiculous. All day, just stupid people driving pit bikes, just being absolutely stupid. I'm gonna walk away because this is just absurd and obnoxious. Yeah, like I said, basically there are some really nice cars here, a lot of custom builds, a lot of cool stuff. That is a good looking truck, I know that for sure. But like, it's just the car. I guess I got a few words about the current car culture, but I'll leave my opinions out of this channel. Since when does I mean, no offense to people, but like, since when do brand new cars? Since when do brand new cars become show cars? You put wheels on them and lower them, it doesn't make them a show car, but that's a big opinion I'm going to leave out. Wow, a new WRX from Texas. That's impressive. I guess he really likes IFO. Like I said, there are some cool cars here. Right there, there's an R33 GTR. That's pretty cool. I mean, but then you got a Chevy, an Explorer. You know, there's really not. I don't really know. But, and then you got some idiot revving behind me. I mean, like, that's cool. I mean, look at this Integra. I mean, that looks pretty cool. I mean, the SRT4 caliber. I mean, you got some that look good, but then some are just like, seriously. Okay, we're gonna go to the less chaotic side of the car show. RX-7 is pretty nasty. Is that a Supra? I think it is. RX-8, actually. We passed some guys on the highway. I hope everything was all right. This is what I'm interested in. I'm losing my voice because I'm yelling so loud. It's a DeLorean, like a Back to the Future DeLorean with a big turb ski on it. That's pretty sweet. I'm gonna go see what it is. It's a Honda, it might be a K-Series, I'm not sure. Turboed K-Series and a DeLorean. Very nice Terminator, I love those. Got a Honda Civic. There's some, I don't know what just happened, but they're all cheering. I'm yelling really loud and I'm losing my voice. A couple of GTRs, BRZs, El Camino, GTR, R35s. There's a lot of GTRs here. New WRXs. Nobody's got their hood up. I don't understand that. This is a car show, guys. A lot of turboed Civics, like a lot of these 90s, early 2000s Civics that are turboed. And usually all of this is full. I don't know why it's not. And all right, so I really like this Civic. It's very nicely done, you know, engine bays, paint and all that. See, that's a show car, that's nice. Wrap Type R, CTS-V. Wide body Nissan, a very odd looking Chrysler. We'll show you that. I talked to this guy at Gearhead Fest. My LS300 does not, or my LS400 does not look like that. Got a Pro Charge vet, a couple vets, Chryslers. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am not impressed whatsoever. I don't know. I mean, that pretty much is it. I mean, I don't want to go down any more aisles because there's nobody, like, there's no hoods popped. I mean, look at that, there's no hoods popped. I guess lowering a car and putting on wheels is what they call a build nowadays. I'll show you our spot. I was pretty, you know, I'm honored. I really am, Keegan. I appreciate it. Like I said, he pulled, as soon as we pulled in, he seen us, and he put us in the corner. Hang on. Great timing. All right, awards are over. There comes the sun. I am smoked. They actually, when I was going, well, I don't want to tell you that yet. So anyway, we'll get to this. Number 10. That is Import Face-Off Trophy number 10. I don't know what that is in Spanish. I am truly thankful. Thank you, IFO. Thank you, everybody that come out and support the YouTube channel, the Instagram, all of it. Supporting us as a, you know, as a team here. So I believe my first IFO was in 2016-ish, that area, and just a, you know, poorly tuned STI that I just had repainted. You know, I was just hoping to win one, and now it's like I got a whole shelf just for IFO trophies. So I am truly blessed. I don't know. I'm very thankful. We are going to pack everything up. Well, everybody's leaving, so we're gonna let them kind of, you know, work their way out. But it has been a very long weekend, and it's been a great weekend. Good bike ride. We won the softball tournament yesterday, and now I'm taking home another trophy. So it is awesome. We're gonna get cleaned up. Everybody's getting out of here. We're gonna let them kind of do their thing, and then we're gonna head back home. All right, we are loaded up. Stopped at Love's to get some fuel, which is a very difficult thing to do. It is hot, guys. The 6-liter is not liking this. I have an iPad that I keep track of all my temps, like my oil temp, my coolant, and all that. And every one of them is a little bit higher than usual. So we're gonna be easy on the way back and take her nice and slow. So we're gonna get fuel. The wife's using the bathroom, and we're gonna head on home. All right, we made it back, and it was a hot drive, but the old 6-liter handled it like nothing. I think we're going to, most likely, because the sun's going down. It's a beautiful sunset. Look at that. Look at that. You got 2 nice cars and a sunset. We're going to unload tomorrow, and we'll just let everything cool down. I am going to pump my bags up a little bit, because right there where the strap is and the lip, it's a little too close for comfort for me. The next day. Good morning. So we got home last night, absolutely crashed. I made some eggs, we took showers, gave the baby a bath, and went right to bed. He actually slept 7 hours straight last night, which was fantastic. I just placed the newest trophy in its home right there. IFO win number 10, like 10. I'm speechless. I mean, all of those are IFO trophies. It's kind of funny, it popped up in my memories this morning that my first IFO that I ever went to was Labor Day weekend in 2017. You know, back then I was just hoping to go and get attention and maybe win something, and now, you know, I'm truly blessed. I'm very thankful. There they are. We're gonna get everything pumped up and pulled off and put back in their spots. Probably gonna put the 6-liter back where it was. So I don't really know what we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna get the cars off, throw them inside before it gets too crazy hot. Got the cars off, they're inside. Wow, it is hot. Like, I mean, it doesn't help that I've been baking under the sun for the last 3 days straight. We are
6-liter back in the shop because it is hot.
Everything is back in its spot, hibernating for the time being. I don't really know when the truck I'll get out because I like to drive it, but I'm not sure when the next time we'll get the cars out. I really don't. So I want to take a second and be kind of honest with you guys. I'm open about pretty much everything. So before we end the video off, I want to take a second and be real with you guys and give you an update of what's going on in our lives, kind of, I don't want to say personal, but if you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I posted that I'm going to be opening up the shop here for outside work. I'm finally settled in. This is all kind of slowing down. Baby's kind of slowing down a little bit. So I'm going to start taking on extra work after work because, you know, I still work full time. It's kind of a snowball. I don't have the money. We don't have the funds to just go out and buy whatever we want. I make zero money on YouTube. I still work full time. And yes, I want her to be a stay-at-home mom. So that's kind of that's taking up a lot, you know, a baby and all that. So I'm very thankful that I have the job I have to be able to do all this, but you know, more money is always better. Basically what I want to do, I want to finish fixing the driveway. I would like to expand the driveway so the trailer is sitting in gravel, not grass. I need to level all that out. A lift, and then I have already spent some money on some equipment to further expand the shop capabilities, like in HVAC and diagnostics and stuff like that. So that is cool. Like I said, I post on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any builds you want me to do, any motors, basic maintenance, whatever, please let me know. Hit me up. Everything that I'm making here is going right back into the shop and right back into the property. So it's not like I'm going to go on vacation with it or anything like that. So, all right, let's try this again. I'm on like my 7th time trying to end the video off and film this outro, but every time I go to record something, a motorcycle thinks it has to go full throttle down the road, and all you're gonna hear is motorcycle. We really appreciate the love and support you've been getting on the channel, the Instagram, the Facebooks, all the social media platforms. Really appreciate, like I said, all the love and support we've been getting. Please like and subscribe. We got lots of videos coming up. I already got customer cars lined up. Got a few other things we're gonna do with the cars. My brother has never torn apart an engine, so I have a junk EJ253 we're gonna tear apart together. Be a good learning experience for him. So lots of cool videos coming up. So like I said, please like and subscribe. With all that said, I hope you enjoy the videos and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Be sure to check out her Etsy account, The Sweetheart Design, for custom illustrations, vinyls, and t-shirts. She can make anything you want.
And use code BOOSTIN_DC on jacksbox.com for 15% off.